This video is part 8 of an 8-part series. Make sure to watch all of the videos in the series in the order shown. Perform this maintenance once a week. Turn off the press. Open these covers. Make sure the heater is cool enough to handle, then remove these screws. Open this cover. Remove these screws, then remove the substrate guide. Using a polyester or nylon cloth dampened with alcohol, clean these parts of the substrate guide. Reinstall the guide and close the cover. Close the covers. Make sure to watch the other videos in the series.